Welcome everybody. Now let's continue the topic implementing basic gate using universal gate. In previous video, we have seen how we can implement basic gate using NAND gate. In this video, we will see how we can implement basic gate using NOR gate. First of all, we will see how we can perform NOT operation using NOR gate. So see, this is truth table for NOR gate. So in case of NOR gate, we know that when all inputs are 0, then output of NOR gate will be 1, otherwise output will be 0. Then this is Boolean expression for NOR gate. That is y is equal to in bracket a or b bracket complete whole bracket prime. Now let's try to understand how we can perform NOT operation using NOR gate. So for that, what you have to do? Simply you should connect both inputs of NOR gate together. Simple. If you connect both inputs of NOR gate together, then it will act as inverter. So this is similar to NAND gate. In case of NAND gate also, in order to perform NOT operation, what we did, we connected both inputs together. In case of NOR gate also, what you have to do, simply you have to connect both inputs together. So see this diagram. So here you can see one NOR gate, and here what is done, both inputs of NOR gate, they are connected together, so that we will get one single input, and that single input is labeled as A. So here A is input to this NOR gate. So what will be the output of this NOR gate? It will be A prime. So how we are getting this A prime? So let's try to understand it. So in case of NOR gate, we know that y is equal to yes in bracket a or b bracket complete whole bracket prime. Okay, so already we know this particular expression for NOR gate. Right now, in this case, what we did, we connected both inputs of NOR gate together. So can I say that both input of NOR gate are A? Yes. So here what we have to do, we have to replace this B by A. So see, we can have expression like y is equal to in bracket a plus a bracket complete whole bracket prime. Okay, so here both inputs are similar. Now what Boolean algebra says, a plus a, that is a or a is nothing but a. Okay, so here we can rewrite this expression as y is equal to a prime. So what we did, we replace a or a with a, right? So in this way, simply by connecting both inputs of NOR gate together, what we can do, we can perform NOT operation. Now let's see how we can perform OR operation using NOR gate. So it is very simple. If you put inverter on output side of NOR gate, then it will act as OR gate. So what you have to do, so let's assume that this is NOR gate. Okay, it has two inputs, one output. So on output side of NOR gate, you should put one inverter. So let's put here one inverter. So this particular circuit is going to act as OR gate. So how it will happen? Let's try to understand it. Here first of all, you can see one NOR gate, and that NOR gate is followed by another NOR gate. So tell me whether this second NOR gate will act as inverter. So see here, both inputs of this second NOR gate are connected together. So can I say that this second NOR gate is inverter? Yes. So what we did here, we put one inverter on output side of NOR gate. So these two NOR gate in combination are going to act as OR gate. So here if input is A and B, what will be the output of this circuit? Output will be A or B. How we are getting this output? Let's try to understand it. So in case of NOR gate, we know that y is equal to in bracket A or B whole bracket prime. So output of first NOR gate will be, so can you tell me what will be the output here? Yes, it will be A, right? Then OR B and whole bracket prime. So this will be the output of first NOR gate, right? Now output of this first NOR gate is given as input to second NOR gate. But for second NOR gate, what we did, we connected both inputs together. Okay, so this is acting as an inverter. So what will be the output of this NOR gate? It will be a complement of this particular term. What will be the output of this second NOR gate? So output of second NOR gate will be complement of the input. So input is A or B prime. Okay, so this is input and its complement. So that will be the output of this second NOR gate. So see, output of second NOR gate will be this one. And again we know that what Boolean algebra says, A double complement is equal to A. Okay, so that's why we can say that this particular term is equivalent to A or B. So in this way, by using two NOR gate, we can perform OR operation. Now let's see how we can perform AND operation using NOR gate. So see, in order to perform AND operation using NOR gate, it is expected that you should put inverter on input side of NOR gate. In order to perform OR operation using NOR gate, what we did, we put inverter on output side. In order to perform AND operation, what you have to do, you should put inverter on input side of NOR gate. So let's try to understand it with the help of diagram. So see, first of all, we have to start with one NOR gate, right? So what I'm saying, on input side we should put inverter. Okay, so how many input? Two input. So how many inverter will require? Two inverter. So see, this is our first inverter. So what is input to this inverter? A. Whether it is inverter? Yes. Whether this NOR gate will act as inverter? Yes, because both inputs of this NOR gate are connected together. So here input is A, output of this inverter will be A prime, and that A prime will become input to this particular NOR gate. Then what about second input? Yes, so for second input also we should use one inverter, right? So this NOR gate will act as inverter. Input is B, output will be B prime. So A prime and B prime will become input to this NOR gate. So can you tell me what will be the output of this NOR gate? Yes, so output of this NOR gate should be, yes, OR operation between A prime and B prime followed by its complement. So see, output of this NOR gate will be Y is equal to, in bracket, A prime or B prime and whole bracket prime. Right, now here we can apply which law? Yes, we can apply De Morgan's law. So if we apply De Morgan's law, then what will be the next expression that we will get? We will get expression like A double prime dot, means AND operation, A double prime and B double prime. That will be the next expression. Y is equal to A double prime and B double prime. Again, what Boolean algebra says? A double prime is equivalent to A. Okay, so A dot B, that is A and B. So in this way, by using this 3 NOR gate, it is possible for us to perform AND operation. See, this is diagram for performing AND operation using NOR gate.